Welcome to ThirdEye Labs, where we make the unseen seen. This is the Word Embeddings lab. Today we do the famous king-man+woman equals queen with our own NumPy. Then we build word vectors from raw text ourselves, validate them against scikit-learn, watch the bias the space absorbs, and map the whole concept space. It pairs with episode 1.1. Quick setup while the notebook warms up. Everything runs in a Jupyter notebook. You need 3 libraries, NumPy for the math, scikit-learn to check our work, and matplotlib for the plot. Install them once with pip install numpy scikit-learn matplotlib. There is nothing to download. The word vectors ship as a tiny 14 kilobyte file. No machine learning background needed. Section 1. The idea in 60 seconds. From episode 1.1, meaning is geometry. A word is a list of numbers, close vectors mean similar things, and directions carry meaning. We are about to make all 3 real in code. Section 2. Load tiny real word vectors. We load 60 hand-picked words from Glo-v, each one a 50-dimensional vector trained on real text. It ships as a 14 kilobyte file, so there is nothing to download. Section 3. Similarity and nearest neighbors from scratch. Cosine similarity is just the dot product, normalized, how aligned 2 arrows are. One matmul gives every score at once. King is closest to prince and queen. Cat is closest to dog. Section 4. The famous one. Subtract man, add woman to king, and find the nearest word. Out comes queen. Paris minus France plus Italy gives Rome. Meaning became arithmetic in our own NumPy. Section 5. Trust but verify. Our hand-rolled cosine has to match scikit-learn's. It does to 10 decimal places. Section 6. Build the vectors yourself. You do not need to download them. Count which words keep company, weight the counts with ppmi, then compress with svd, the same svd from later this season. Out fall dense vectors where cats sit near dogs. Meaning emerged from raw counts. Section 7. Break it honestly. The space learns whatever is in the text, including our bias. Doctor minus man plus woman lands on nurse. The analogy is a tendency, not a law, and it mirrors society's stereotypes. Section 8. See the concept space. We squash all 60 words to 2 dimensions with PC and draw the king, queen, man, woman parallelogram. The royalty arrows line up, just like the episode. In one breath, a word is a vector, cosine is similarity, and directions are meaning. You can even build the vectors from raw text. The geometry is learned, biases and all. Next, a single matrix bends this whole space at once. Let us recap. A word is a vector, and cosine similarity, a normalized dot product, measures how close 2 words are in meaning. Directions carry meaning, so king minus man plus woman lands on queen. We built our own vectors from raw text with co-occurrence and SVD, checked them against scikit-learn, and saw the gender bias the numbers quietly absorb. That is it for this lab, from a list of numbers to meaning you can do arithmetic with. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to ThirdEye Labs and tell me in the comments what you want next. The full notebook is in the description.